This is by far the easiest digital side hustle to start, and you can get to at least $10,000 a month if you do this correctly. I've actually made $2.8 million using this particular side hustle. Okay, so let me show it to you right now. I've tried so many over the years. I failed for so long, but out of all of them, it was a digital affiliate business where you're selling other people's digital products. You just become the middle person that completely changed everything for me. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do it right now. So make sure you save this video, make sure you get a pen and a piece of paper and watch this. Okay, the cool thing about digital affiliate marketing is you can sell pretty much in any niche. All right, doesn't matter what it is. It could be health, wealth, relationships, outdoor pets, software as a service, sport, and there's just endless thousands of niches, sub niches that you can be in. It's not so much about the niche, it's about understanding the strategy behind how to promote these products in these specific niches. But what I would do is I would start with one. So let's just say you're interested in relationships. Find a product in the relationship space. You can just go ahead and Google top digital affiliate networks and you'll find like 30 of them, right? Find the right product, and then all you need to do is do what I'm going to show you next, okay? The next thing is once you find the right product, okay, it's very, very important that we don't want to sell physical stuff, because when you sell physical stuff, low profit margins, extremely competitive, hard to add value, and you need to sell a lot of it if you want to make decent money. So we don't want to sell physical stuff. We only want to sell other people's digital products that have already been created, okay? High profit margins, less competitive, easy to add value. It's much, much easier to get to 20 to 30 sales per month, which means that you can get to $10,000 to $20,000 a month fairly easily if you know what you're doing, okay? This is, I think, one of the best products to sell. Very underrated. Very few people talk about selling digital stuff, and this is why I think that this is one of the best business models out there. Now, the next thing is once you've picked your niche, once you've picked your product, you need to have the right sales funnel in order to bring people through, add a relationship, get people to know, like, and trust you so that they feel comfortable transacting with you, okay? Now, there are a few types of funnels that you can build. First of all, is we have to be able to capture data. So we don't want to send people just to any random website. We want to capture an email and a name so we can follow up with them even if they decide not to buy straight away. And 90% of people will not buy straight away from you, all right? So we want to capture an email, follow up with them over time, build more of a relationship with them, and eventually some people will buy from you, right? Now, what a lot of people will teach is they'll say, hey, just send them to a video sales letter. Just send them to a sales page. Don't do that. Okay, this is a very, very big mistake because there's no value add. It just sells, and 90% of people do this, and this is why they stay broke. Is because if you just ask people to buy from you, they're not going to buy. You have to build a relationship with them first. So, hey, just real quick, I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to make you money. So if that's what you're after, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Instead, what you want to do is you want to send them to a funnel that builds trust. All right. The way you do that is you train them, you teach them, you give them testimonials, and you solve your audience's problems first before you ever ask them to buy anything from you. And this is how you get rich. Okay, this is really the secret. This is a secret sauce. I know it sounds very simple, but I would say 95% of people that sell digital products don't do this. They just send them straight to the sales page. Don't do that, okay? And then the last thing is once you have the right funnel, you need to send traffic, all right? So we need to get eyeballs to basically for people to see your stuff, right? Now, a lot of courses, a lot of gurus, and this is why I failed for more than 8 years, right? It's because a lot of courses tell me to go and buy other people's traffic, go buy their email list and, pay them $500, $1,000 for them to promote your offer. Don't do that. If you do that, what's going to happen is you're not going to make any money because solo ads and traffic vendors have very low quality traffic. Because they're constantly promoting other offers, their email list is highly disengaged, okay? So people aren't gonna buy, right? They don't know who you are, they don't care. They might click, they might opt in, but they're not gonna buy, okay? Certainly not enough for you to cover the money that you spent on that particular ad drop, all right? If you spend $1,000, you might get 2 sales. Maybe you make like $200, but you are down $800. And if you keep doing this, you're gonna go broke. This is why I got broke for so long. I spent $20,000 to $30,000 on buying other people's traffic because that's what I was told to do in these courses, right? So what you wanna do instead is you wanna learn to become a marketer. Learn to generate your own traffic. Okay, what does that mean? Create content on social media. It's high quality. People know who you are. The more you do this, the more views you get, the more leads you get, the more sales you generate through your funnel. Okay, now remember, you can start from 0. So follower count does not matter at all in this particular aspect, okay? And then when people buy, you're gonna make a lot of money, okay? And I think that this is still, till today, the easiest digital side hustle to start. And I think that anyone, if you do it this way, what I just showed you, and you can rewatch this video over and over and over again if you want to understand the strategy, you can get to at least $10,000 a month if you put in the effort and you do the work and you strategically set up, just like I showed you right here. Okay, so if I was to start any side hustle this year from zero, this is exactly what I would do. Sell other people's digital products, do it in the right way, do it the way that I showed you right here. And I would love to hear your comments. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Give me some thumbs ups if you got some value from this video. And if you're like, Aaron, how do I do this? How do I pick the right products, pick the right niche, set up the right funnel, and get the right traffic step by step? I've got a free masterclass that will show you how to do all this right in the comment section below. See you there.